Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case it's the first time you're interacting with our channel, my name is Masika Rani, a Kenyan content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. I major on house documentation, and currently we have ventured into Airbnb because I want to plug you guys. These are 3-bedroom. It's located 20 minutes drive away from the airport, 5 minutes drive away from the Athi River SGR Terminus. Sorry. Yes, we have free parking, good security. In short, security ni tight. Our space is beautiful. What do you think, guys? Matters entertainment, we got you covered. You love everything about our space. And one thing I love about this specific room is the fact that it's giving, I don't know how to explain. Guys, how do you explain what that seat is giving? I know you know. I wanted to say something about tradition, something, but nikajua I'm not on the right track. So, yeah, welcome. We're giving out this space at 4,000 per night, and it's a 3-bedroom, so we're taking a maximum of six people. But in case you seven people, we can talk, we can consider, yeah. I'll be sure to leave my number so you guys can get in touch. This is our dining space. Do you love our creativity? Because personally I love what we've done with this space. I love what we've done with this space. Home away from home. When it comes to our kitchen space, it's an open kitchen with our microwave over there. This extra drinking water, we have more over there because hydrating is our second name. On our kitchen space, it's quite spacious, not congested. We just have the necessity. Our cooker over there, our fridge, and we have a starter pack. Immediately you come from the airport, we get you covered. Yeah, and we also have shops. On this apartment, we have shops. Matter storage in case you want to stay with us for a month, for a year. You covered. Our tiles, so beautiful. They'll give you peace. What do you think? What do you think, guys? From our kitchen, this is our washing area. We have a washing machine just for you. It's awaiting you. Book with us. Our space is beautiful. Service, when it comes to our services, best customer care services, Let me show you our bedrooms, because you can't have a long day and just rest on any other bed. Let's first see our washroom. This is the common washroom. We got you sorted. Let me tell you, if I was the one coming to this room, I would be so happy because it would be giving me my house vibe. Like immediately I get from the bathroom, there's a mat over there. Hey, that's something for me. I don't know. What do you love about our space? We also have a dustbin over there because, you know, matters women, matters men sometimes. Yeah, we have this bedroom, and we have our master bedroom. Let's start with this bedroom. I don't know. One thing I love, it's the lighting about this room. And do you guys love about how we've invested in our rooms? Our wardrobes, quite spacious. Iron box, because in case you're leaving our room, going to the office, as in, we want you to feel like you just came out of your home, you know. These are other bed. Storage, sorry, not storage, wardrobes as well, spacious. From this bed, that's the bedroom yenye tumetoka right now. So, sorry. That one, that's the view from the corridor. Then let's get to the master bedroom. Do you love the work we've done? Do you love our work? Do you? And in this room, we have a net because we want you to feel at home. It's the small things that matter. I love this bed. Then from our master, let's get to it's Ensuite. So by the way, above the mirror we have that lighting and our mirror, just in case you're doing your skincare and you want to see the details, or just in case you're doing your makeup, you know. Yeah, you're doing your makeup from our space. What do you think? That sounds nice, right? And we have our bathroom over there. Our space is so clean, not congested. Fresh air 24/7. Fresh hair 24/7, you know. So cool. In fact, I feel like this space is just so cool to meditate, you know. What do you think I should have shown you that maybe I missed? Comment down below. You can also ask me a question in case you have a question. Yeah, so basically that's it for a room. 4,000 per night, 90,000 per month, fully furnished. That's such a deal, 90,000 fully furnished, as in all we need is just you to show up. Ish. Imagine in this case, that means in case you're coming to live here with us, all you need is just to come, do your shopping, and, you know, continue living. Ish. So guys, until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.